This is my first time doing the labs for the courses, so we're gonna see how this goes. Professor Zode wants us to come over here and start doing 6 of these labs. So it looks like we got a Kali machine, firewall, server, and Windows. All right. Okay, so build a malicious Windows executable to attack a remote system. Looking at the topology, we'll probably use Kali. Scan server, operating system, find out what we can. Try to maybe create an email attachment or something along those lines. If there's not a vulnerability, because I mean it's a social engineering attack. Maybe we'll do like a watering hole, find out where the traffic is going. Maybe something will be in plain text. We can do some art poisoning or mess with the DNS. Let's see. Send an email to then open a shell, gain control of the victim. Okay. We'll build a malicious exe file. Oh, experience a social engineering attack over me. I don't know about you, but I don't want to experience that. Attack a target and a hidden network. Okay, so Kali. They already have the malicious file made. Okay, so this isn't going to be that bad. We're just going to follow instructions. Okay. Woo! CD bound. I'm so tired, guys. I've had like 2 hours of sleep on Sunday night after the football game, and then after class on Monday night, I had 2 hours of sleep because I got to be up at 1:45 in the morning for work, and I got about 10 hours of sleep last night, but I'm still got a huge sleep debt. So oh shoot. All right, so docs. See, I added just a little joke, so this is a little more customized. Let's go back to the instructions because I don't want to get too cute and then have this all messed up. Metasploit. Okay. Don't think I can copy and paste in here, but We're about to find out. So it's on port 4444. I'm going to have to bounce back, and I won't remember all of this. Alright, so we know we're going to use MSF Venom. Shoot. /P. Okay, I'm sorry about that. So anytime I change windows, it's going to do that. It's going to close the recording. So I'm using the free stuff, so it's probably not going to be as good as the people that professionally do this, but I'm just doing this to help document the work that I'm doing so I can, show that I have experience doing these things and help everybody that's stuck or needs something to follow along with, because I know I've been there and I'm still there. But speaking of there, this is where we're at. So before it cut off, we were trying to copy and paste and changed windows and lost it. So I added all your bases are belong to us, and this to customize the code so that it will work. This is the main.cpp file that we will be using in Metasploit's framework to kind of phish the Windows operating system user and to open an email contact. I'm guessing. I guess I should start assuming, because you know what happens if I assume. I make it out of you and me. So anyway, it says use the new window. We've done that. We're right here. So we need to create it. So to compile the file, let's go into Kali's terminal. Why does this not look right? G++, okay, we know that's right. .cpp, that's right. Oh, okay. Turning this into updated.exe. Alright. Boom. Compile that, please. ls cat update.exe. Yeah, of course that's not going to work. Okay. We're going to need to zip this so it's smaller. Is that right? I don't know why we wouldn't use gzip. Whatever. Oh no, I shouldn't be thinking ahead, should I? No, okay, so I messed up. I created my own password for this. You're going to want to follow the instructions and use XYZ security, but I'll remember, hopefully. So we've made the executable. Now we're going to use Python to make a server, alright? So after I make a Python 3 server, we're going to ping this. Let's stay right here. We're going to need to come back to that to get these details. Okay, so Python 3, right? Oops. Python 3. M server. Alright, we're working. So, we needed a second terminal for the ping command, which was C4 192.168, okay, .50. .50, please remember all that. 192.168, oh my gosh, come on, mouse. .50, bam. I think you would have to have VIN mapped everything to get this point, but let me go back and read real quick while it's doing that. Okay, so it's not going to transmit any, it's not going to receive any, I mean. Okay, so now we go to the mail. Oops. Firefox 172.161.10. I'm not going to remember that. 172.161.10. 172.162.10. 172.162.10. Alright, before I forget, 172.161.10. 172.161.10. I mean, IPv6, there's no way you remember all that. Come on! Ah! I'm gonna forget everything. Yikes. Oh, lordy. I think. See, that's one of the problems I have with VMs, is they can be quite buggy. What should take a few minutes winds up taking hours because you're constantly having to work around them. So this is just emulating you have access to a compromised email. And of course, you're going to have to accept the risk because it won't work if you don't. And that's one of the things about a lot of these practice labs, right? You know, a lot has to go wrong for a company or an organization or a government for someone to do this. It's usually like malicious intent or accidental insider, you know? I mean, this, you're not going to find very many people that are just going to click okay, 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 okay. You have to have them really wanting that software or that read that email, that secret file. And that's where social engineering is so important because, I mean, if you are really good at getting people to do things they shouldn't, you've probably got a job anywhere you need to that does penetration testing or anything, because you're going to be so influential and convincing, you're going to talk to whoever's interviewing you into getting you a job. So to use the compromised account, we're going to do tech@mail.netlab.local. Yikes. Tech@mail.netlab.local. Tech@mail. Come on, mouse. And I already forgot forgot the password. Training money. Okay. Come on, mouse. Money. Money. List is empty, so I got the right one. Yay. Browser compose. Okay. Okay. Compose wsmith@mail.local. Alright, Will Smith. I really doubt it matters what we put here. Please update immediately. Urgent. All caps, because that's what makes it official. And we're going to write in this email 2,600 peeps. This is a shout out to remind you that 2,600, the Hacker Quarterly meetup is Friday. I do not have the same thing that they have on there. I'm not sure why. Yikes. Shoot. What was the link? We just used it. No, we didn't. HTTP, blah, 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 blah. Okay. 203 dot blah dot 1. Okay. 203.113 to port 8000. Okay, so that was 203.0.113. Come on, mouse, before I forget everything. HTTP, it's 203.0.113.2, port 8000, and I forgot everything I've just read. Update.zip, duh. Okay. Just made that file and already forgot it. Okay. Update.zip. Okay, so I'm going to send that, and I'm going to prepare and listen to the reverse shell, so I'm going to have to do MSF console, exploit, and set the payload. Okay, come on back to Kali, let's give it a full send. Don't want it in a new window. Save, send, bam. Check the outbox real quick. Okay. So, set up the listener. We need to go back to our... What do we have? Which one is which? Okay, we can get rid of this one. This one should be... Doesn't matter. Yeah, okay. It does matter. Switch the failed ping terminal window. That's the one we're on. We're going to type MSF console. Get it started. We're going to use the exploit multi-handler. Okay. Let's see the beautiful graphics. Payload. Give me that big trucker horn. Exploit this bad boy. Multi-handler. Bam. Okay, so it's going to be set payload something or other. Windows. We know it's a Windows. And let's see what these are. X64 shell reverse TCP common. Okay. Come on, mouse. X64 shell reverse TCP. Come on. Let's see what the next one's going to be. I'm going to have to set the host, I imagine. Yep. So we're just using set G instead of set because it's a hell of a lot easier and it saves time. You don't have to set it every time. It's just going to sit here and take it. And then, boom, exploit time. Okay, should tell us to go to Windows now and open that email so that we can start honing bases. Okay. Lab user NDG lab pass 123 exclamation point. Okay, I'm never gonna remember all that. Whatever. I legit just forgot everything I read. Oh my goodness. Control Alt Delete's gonna fuck up everything. How do you do this? Ow. And again, I have clicked on something that closed the recording. Alright. Anyway, opening Windows. Forgot everything that we were supposed to remember about what we need to log in. So I know it was NetLab Administrator. Now it's going to be another. What was this? NetLab Administrator. So we'll just read it again. NetLab / lab user. Okay, NetLab / lab user. So that's how it was written. NDG lab pass 123. NDG. Okay. Oh my gosh. Only had to go back once. Twice. And fail 5 gazillion times. Okay, so we're gonna have to open our mail. So we're going straight on the server. Okay. Well, Swift is an admin of something. I'm impressed. They actually don't have Internet Explorer, which is depreciated even in their labs. What a step up that is. Most of the labs I've been doing have still got Internet Explorer for everything. So if this isn't new, it's updated. And honestly, I'm kind of impressed. This is pretty well laid out and set up. We should be about done with it. It's taken me a good hour to get this done. It shouldn't have taken that long, but of course I'm making video and messing up a lot. But so we're gonna go to the Ubuntu server. I'm not a great multitasker, reading and talking and doing all of this at the same time. It slows me down too. But Ubuntu server, NetLab, local mail. Okay, I'm never gonna remember all of that. Let's just get as far as we can off of memory. Minimize. No, I said minimize. Okay, Microsoft Edge. There's Ubuntu server, NetLab. No, stupid. Is it in mail? Surely it's not in mail. Maybe it was. It sure is. Okay. Oh, not HTTPS. Was it? Yeah, I don't think so. Okay. Smith, come on, buddy. We don't care. We're breaking all the rules. We're rebels. W. Smith at. Oh, what was it? My brain's not working. Mail.netlab. Okay. Come on, mouse, before I forget everything. Mail.netlab. And it's the local account, and it was train 1NG123 exclamation point. I try to be the tell me once kind of a guy, but oh my god, it never works. You have to tell me multiple times. WSmith at mail.netlab.local. Training 123. I went too far with that. Okay, training money. That's right. Training money. Got that one mixed up with the other. Oh lordy. Urgent. Please update immediately. I mean, pretty good English too. 2,600 peeps. This is a shout out to remind you that 2,600, the Hacker Quarterly meetup, is the first Friday of the month. If you're interested in learning, networking, and having fun, please join us at Redacted. Redacted. Oh, I really want to know. How do I download this file for the super secret location? Do I have to click on this? Yes. All your bases belong to us. Why? It's not working. What do you mean it can't be downloaded securely? Sure it can. Now we're going to open it because, I mean, how else are you going to find out where it is? And remember, I changed the password, so it's only super secret people that know what I changed the password to. Instead of the one that they typed, XYZ or whatever. And boom. There it is. Now we know the super secret location of our meeting. Run anyway, right? We aren't scared. Nose! We've been struck by Hacker Man. Elite Hacker just got us. And now all your bases belong to us. Man. That just never gets old. Almost like you need to pretend you're a verified publisher. Wonder if there's something about certificates in here. Okay, so who am I to show that we're in, and IP to show that we're behind the firewall. We're in. There it is. Thank you for watching. I hope you had fun, and remember, this is for educational purposes only.